Yo.
Name 6 Grace products.
What? I don't want none of Grace charge.
Grace and mercy.
How many species of birds are unique to Jamaica?
Yes, remember that.
Which Jamaican dish is popularly called dirty gal?
Dirty girls.
Wow! Wow!
Dirty girls.
Very confident here.
We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. Labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. Labs out loud.
Good evening, Jamaica. I am Louisa Bennett and I am here to host this year's Lab Squad Trivia. Now you know what day is today. Today is August 1st, 2020. And look who we have here. Traveling all the way from back in time. We have the Maroons over here and we also have Arawa. Alright, so before we begin this exciting match, I will now ask the contestants to introduce themselves. Let us begin with the mighty Arawaks.
Roger Walk.
Richie Walk.
And in the future, what would you like to become?
We would like to be.
You would like to be, no we. I would like to be the husband of many wives.
Alright, Richie Walk.
I am already husband of many wives.
Okay.
I would like to have island for myself and my many wives.
Understood.
Rich Walk.
And now we go over to the Maroons. Take it away.
Hi, my name is Nika Roon. I'm 23 years old. My hobbies are feeding the goats and picking mangoes.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. And the next Maroon?
Hi, I'm Maroon. In the future, I would like to become the chief of the Maroon.
Alright. To decide which team goes first, I have placed the ring of trust on the table. The first team to grab the ring of trust will decide the fate of this match. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
Maroons. Always. Maroons. Always.
The Maroons came straight out the gate. Maroons, who is going first, you or the opponent? The opponent. The opponents. Ready? So the first round, 8 questions will be asked to each team. 1 point will be awarded for each correct answer. If the team answers incorrectly, the question then goes to the other team for a chance to answer. Arawaks, are you ready?
Ready.
Yeah.
Alright. What is the smallest parish in Jamaica?
That will be Anoa.
Serious? Alright, go again. Alright,
Passover, I know.
Passover? Paramilk ask question. Arawa.
Oh, delete that. Delete that. Yeah,
Maroons, you get a chance to answer. What is the smallest parish in Jamaica?
Kingston.
That is correct.
You never say size or population.
Smallest, so we think of
Yeah,
population.
yeah.
No, but I know population.
No, we have population. We need to population.
I know by population.
again.
Population, we are thinking. Population.
You have to specify it,
Yeah,
man. Cut.
Wrong, that wrong.
I should have said insides, but that's what me that said.
yeah.
I'm missing.
Wrong.
Who would I think
But me let
Our population, we are thinking.
actually have that as a question too.
In a thing.
Well,
Alright, come again.
so we have 6 questions that are in the first round.
Are we ready to begin?
Ready.
We're ready.
Look forward.
Arawaks. When did Jamaica became an independent nation? I need the month, date, and the year.
That will be August the 6th, 1962.
That is correct. The Maroons. Which other Caribbean country also gained independence in 1962?
Trinidad and Tobago.
That is correct. Arawaks. What is the price of the toll from Kingston to Ocho Rios for a car?
That's true that. We don't drive.
We rowboat.
We travel on goat and horse.
Is that your final answer?
What? No, that's a question?
That would be
Wait,
1,000.
good now, wait, repeat the question. What type of car? What size? Talk to me.
What is the price of the toll from Kingston to Ocho Rios for a Class 1 vehicle?
That will be 1,600.
That is correct. Maroons. What is the price of the toll from Kingston to Old Harbour for a Class 1 vehicle?
The new price.
What's news?
They're looking up the
That
donkey
would
prices.
be $450. That's incorrect. Arawaks.
That will be
590.
That is incorrect. The answer is $550.
we go close. So should I get half, man?
Name 4 Devon House ice cream toppings.
Toppings or flavor?
Toppings.
Would you like the question to be repeated?
Yeah, please repeat the question.
Name 4 Devon House ice cream toppings.
Alright.
Alright, that would be M&M,
Cherry.
chocolate syrup, and sprinkles.
That is correct. Maroons. Name 4 Devon House ice cream flavors.
Strawberry cheesecake, Devon Stout,
Grape nut. Pistachio.
That is correct. Arawaks. What was the first capital of Jamaica?
That would be Spanish Town.
That is correct. Maroons. What did the Taínos originally call Jamaica?
That would be
Jamaica.
That is correct. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person on the screen.
How many money that?
The monitor is coming.
Whoa!
That would be Sir Howard Cook.
That is incorrect. Maroons, would you like to try?
Do back again.
They did not try, so the answer is
Share.
incorrect. That is Sir Florizel Glasspool.
Glass
Yes.
pole
That's
charge.
not when I
The Maroons.
One of the pole them.
What I'll pull them.
Yeah.
Maroons, this is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Lisa.
oh jeez. That would be you, Sheriff.
That is incorrect. The Arawaks.
That will be Sir Howard Cook.
Finally.
It's Cook, them say Cook.
No, Cook, him have list on
Yeah.
Alright. We are still with the Arawaks.
Yeah.
Which parish has the lowest elevation?
The lowest elevation. Alright, may I tell you which one?
No.
5, 4.
That would be St. Catherine.
That is incorrect. The Maroons, would you like to try?
Sure. That would be Clarendon.
That is also incorrect.
That would be
Kingston.
Kingston.
Ready? Which parish has the highest elevation?
So they are joining back.
I'm up at Jamaica that.
That would be Trelawney.
That is incorrect. Arrowbox.
That would be.
That will be Portland.
That is correct. That holds the Blue Mountains.
I want a cockpit. Different things in that thing about over there.
Alright, we're now over to the Arrowbox.
Yo.
Name 6 Grace products.
What? I don't want name Grace charge.
Grace and mercy.
That's the.
Wait, hold on.
answers.
Grace, no.
Grace product. You have Grace coconut milk.
Yeah.
We have Grace canned beef.
Right.
And you have Grace tin mackerel.
Right.
Actually,
No, she said 6.
6.
Alright. So you have Grace ketchup,
Yeah.
Grace
Hot and
pepper,
spicy ketchup.
and Grace pepper.
And Grace pepper.
That's 6.
Alright, so one more.
You want one more? Can be
Grace butterbean.
Yeah, and you have Grace Kami.
Alright, that is correct.
Grace
The Maroons.
No.
Name 6 Lasco products.
That is a charge. After them I write it down. But the maroon, them head puff.
If we send different milky cup.
You have 5 seconds remaining to answer
Just
the
do
question.
Judge has no
Imagine
shot.
it.
Let's go water. Let's go tin mackerel. Let's go milk, soy milk. Let's go also do La Shore soap. You have let's go butter bean. You have let's go broad bean.
That's correct. Arrowbox. Finish the proverb. Fire there must steal.
In think a cool breeze.
That is correct. The Maroons. Finish the proverb. You shake man hand.
You know, shake him on.
That is correct.
How old is she?
And that ends round 1. The
Where'd she
point,
get that from? She didn't move.
they are still in shock.
I think I would have gone in.
The points standing so far, we have the Arrowbox on 8 points.
Yeah.
And we have the Maroons on 5 points.
I can be more.
Currently the Arrowbox are leading, but if you know anything about our history, things can change very quickly. Just by the blink of an eye. We will now have a word from one of our sponsors, and we will be right back to continue this very exciting match.
We are lucky cause we chew the cud and grass. Let's go. Yes, and plain land. Yes, a plain land.
Alright. And we are back. Thank you for staying with us as we check how well our ancestors know about our Jamaican knowledge. Now we will now go straight into the second round. In this round, we will have both teams getting the same questions. They will each write down the answer on the notepad given, after which they will reveal their answers. In this section, teams please maximize as you will be getting 2 points for each correct answer.
Trust me, you will need them for the buzzer section.
Let us begin. Golden Eye is the name of Ian Fleming's home in Jamaica, the author of the James Bond novels. Where in Jamaica is it located? Town and parish.
Yeah.
3 seconds remaining.
Yeah.
Reveal your answers. Who do you have? Oracabessa St. Mary. And what do you guys have?
Blue Lagoon, Portland.
Alright, the correct answer is Oracabessa St. Mary. Next question. What is the combined total number of parishes and counties in Jamaica? You have 5 seconds in which to write your answer.
Go for combining? No, she said, come again. Come again, no.
Combined.
Me
5, 4,
Total,
3,
add
2,
together.
1. Maroons, what's your answer?
17.
What's your answer? 17. That is correct. 2 points. Next question. Who was the Prime Minister of Jamaica in 2005?
Let me did that. That in school.
Teams, have you finished writing?
Me not think so.
Arawaks, what's the answer?
Bruce Golden.
Maroons, what's the answer?
Portia.
What do you have? What? Portia. Okay, I'm sorry, but Margie, your answer would have been correct. The answer is PJ Patterson. Okay, this is a riddle. Please write the answer to the question on the paper. You are my brother, but I am not your brother. Who am I?
Oh yeah.
Maroons, what do you have?
Sister.
What do you have?
Sister.
That is both correct. This question is a multiple choice question. How many species of birds are unique to Jamaica?
Yes, remember that
A 16, B 28, C 54, or D 9?
Come, repeat. I never that the
No help from the audience. How many species of bird are unique to Jamaica? A 16, B 28, C 54, and D 9. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maroons, what's your answer?
28.
Arawaks, what's your answer?
28.
Correct. True or false? The parish of St. Thomas is considered the windward side of the island.
Yes, sir.
Arawaks, what's your answer?
False.
What's your answer?
True.
Is that disgrace?
Yeah, live at St. Thomas.
I'm not from St. Thomas.
The answer is false. What is the name of the longest river in Jamaica?
The longest.
Do it now. Which part of it?
Maroons, what's the answer? What's the answer, Maroons?
Rio Mino.
What's the answer, Arawaks?
Rio Mino.
That is correct. How many pineapples are on the coat of arms? Arawaks?
6.
Maroons? 4. Incorrect. The correct answer is 5. Name 4 things you will find at a Jamaican 9 nights.
4 things are find in Jamaica by
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We need one more.
How much? 4? Yes.
Oh, alright, ready. That would be candle, manish water, the band for play the music, and curry goat.
That is correct.
What's the question?
Tell me answer. Tell me answer.
Oh, I did not know do that question.
Whatever.
Answer what to? Lizard.
And they never hear the
Wale
question.
and cricket. Where you at?
9 nights. Not 9 nights.
I think she said by night.
Yeah, 4 things that you find by night.
No, at a 9 night.
Oh.
Alright, we're getting that. We're getting
Yes.
correct.
No fear. We don't want to
Yeah, we're not going to 9. We're not around for 9.
Yeah. Alright. And now turn to a blank page. I'm going to count down from 5. And you have to draw the map of Jamaica. 5, 4,
The map.
3,
Sheep.
2.
Wait.
I'm
You sheep or Jamaica?
Excuse me. What? 1. That's it. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up.
Study too much.
Alright. This is the top. Guys, I take a picture for you to see.
No.
This is the top.
We're rushing people.
No,
5
but
seconds.
I just want to get oriented.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
This is
sir.
how Jamaica look. No, we're not at all the farm up.
Alright.
Because the Chinese them,
Yeah, that flat out.
the Chinese them dump up whole land over here. Whole land here, so the Chinese them.
Why that flat out?
A whole part of plan. All you have to shape so. A whole part of plan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And the flag, man, she has said she had over here.
Which kind of plan?
That yes.
May you understand the layout of the flag
That's how
first.
Jamaica look now
Alright.
since the land them dump up. How you win?
The other ones will be getting the points.
You got Mr. Chin.
No, sir.
Kingston turn around.
Who said?
No.
He said
That's a
I
Kingston innocent Andrew.
I dump them dump up the land.
Actually, I rush when I
Dump
get
up the
to
land.
the
Dump up the
tail.
land, Chad.
Rush, man.
Next question.
Alright, that's how it take a look here now. When you go to Kingston.
Which Jamaican town had running water before New York City?
Which town or parish?
Town.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, what's your answer?
Falmouth.
And Maroons? Santa Cruz.
Oh.
That is incorrect. The
Okay.
correct answer is Falmouth.
I don't know them something.
And this is because of the sugar trade during the 18th and 19th centuries.
We are the original inhabitants of the land.
And that, my friends, ends round 2 of our exciting match. Now, just to get where we are in the points, Arawax, you have earned yourself 16 points in the second round. When you add that to what you have in the first round, which was 8 points,
But we
you get 24 points. Maroons, you gain 10 points in the second round. You had 5 in the first round, leaving you with 15 points. But it's still any tribe's game as we now go on to our buzzer section, but not without a word from our sponsors. Stay tuned.
Ilangoli Rider!
Ilangoli Rider!
Ilangoli Rider!
Ilangoli
And then
Rider!
you bend down, go down.
Bend dum there.
Go down there, girl.
And we're back. So our buzzers did not get to arrive in the island due to the pandemic, but you know we are indigenous people and we are very creative. So we have come up with our very own mustard grabber. Now whichever team grabs the mustard bottle first earns the right to answer. Teams, be very careful, as in this round 2 points will be awarded for each correct answer, but as you know, 2 points will be deducted if you answer incorrectly. First question. What did Sammy plant down the gully?
Seriously, shut it.
Sammy planted peas and corn down the gully.
That is correct.
Incorrect.
What?
Incorrect.
Sammy, she never know Sammy.
What?
She never born in Sammy there.
Peas and corn.
But no, make people put
But
English
she
on
never
the
there when Sammy
It's
come.
a patois song. It's not
A
about peas and corn. But you
Listen
don't go on with the madness.
It's alright, do with it.
No,
They must sing English.
I mean, plant peas and corn.
That's not how the song goes.
Peas and corn.
Peas and corn. If they say and it beer till it. If I did 2 things, I said till them kill person.
But that part was they call anything.
That's why you don't say
once
peas
you
and
say it.
corn. A piece of corn. But go on with the madness.
You get the point.
I was there with Sammy.
Yeah, cheers.
Wait, go ahead. We work with him.
Alright, Cass, ready? In which parish did Christopher Columbus first land?
Text.
Arawaks.
Arabs. King.
5.
Saint Catherine.
That is incorrect. You have
Same.
lost 2 points.
Oh, yeah.
Same.
The correct answer is Saint Anne.
But we Christopher Corona Saint Catherine Galad.
Which parish was the birthplace of river rafting?
Boat.
Arawaks.
Boys way.
That would be Portland.
That is correct.
It
Back
will
where I
be
started,
riding boat.
Name a word that rhymes with Jamaica.
Girls.
5.
You're too grabby, grabby.
Grabby, grabby,
Grabby,
Four.
grabby, grabby, grabby.
3.
Dominica.
No.
Yes, Jamaica. Dominica.
That one right there? Isn't that right, man?
It's right.
No,
It's have the same ending. You know
That
what?
is how you rhyme words.
Ask
correct.
the people them.
Jamaica, that's Ika.
No.
Ika? No, I'm with Ika.
Dominica.
They can't be alone.
Alright guys, comment down below and let me know if you think Dominica rhymes with Jamaica.
Or Canada. Jamaica, patois.
Alright.
Come here. Continue. It was
Next question. Which town in Jamaica was the first to have electricity?
Wait, this a town or parish? It's a town or
I'm not
parish?
repeating the question.
Which town, she said?
Button.
That would be Chilani Falmouth.
That is incorrect.
That's a water.
You right, that's
What's the answer, Richie?
Black River.
That is correct. What does the abbreviation JCDC stands for? Maroons. Why?
Jamaica Culture and Development Corporation.
Incorrect. I knew you did it.
Can we
I
try?
don't know why.
We can try?
Go on.
Them can't
Of course.
When did they not get it?
Y'all get it?
Jamaica Cultural Development Commission.
Yeah, that's. But remember grab it.
But then if you grab it,
Yes, they can
when you guys read it past, then-
Alright. What is the name of the Jamaican?
No, I fix me.
To Roger and
Yeah,
and closer to good back.
Once you press the buzzer,
Ready?
first time.
Come now, guys.
Yeah, go on.
Bird.
What is the name of the Jamaican flower? Maroons.
The Blue Maho.
That is incorrect.
Put it back here, please. Put it back here, please.
No, they can't grab
That
them,
will
they
be
can't
linked
grab.
and fighting.
I just say they can't grab
Of
the
course,
question.
of course. Yes, if the other
But then go my home.
Alright. So currently, just to give you an update, you guys have earned no points.
We win and lose back.
I'm here remote.
Yes, back with it.
Up and down, up and down.
Name 3 Jamaican YouTubers.
Johnny.
Dirty
Why?
Berry, Quite Perry, TC.
I feel so
TC is a
disappointed.
YouTuber.
Yes, she is.
Alright.
I feel
I
disappointed.
know that would have
Labs out loud.
But don't get them points. Don't get them points.
Shame on you.
Shame.
Ready?
Wow.
What is the name of the leader of opposition?
Come on.
Arawaks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That will be it. That will be it.
Time.
No, I said
So
that will be it.
Answer.
Alright. Time up. It done. Margot.
More golden. So brown dog. It's like I told him I rush me in a charge.
Ready? Next
Next
question.
time don't take it up.
Name 3 Jamaican comedians.
So I want to take up some.
5, 4.
Dino Crazy, World Dog, and Valdomore.
That is correct.
Here, young people should know. Christopher Johnny
Oliver Samuel. Alright. Next question. Arawaks, what's going on?
No good man, go on man. Them so good back there.
Which animal is on the coat of arms? 5,
The
4.
Jamaican. That will be the Jamaican
crocodile.
That is correct.
Time up.
Alright, this is a riddle. What goes through towns and communities but never moves?
Jamaica.
That will be roads.
That is correct.
That will be roads.
Right.
Other roads. Not really.
Alright. Name 4 things you will find in an ancient Jamaican house.
Time.
Kerosene oil, chimney, figurine, and coal stove.
That is correct. What does the abbreviation NSWMA means?
National Solid Waste Management Agency.
That is incorrect.
Correct.
National Solid Waste Management Authority.
Continue.
That's so hard. That's so
Name 4 all-girls school.
Convent of Mercy Academy Alpha, Immaculate Conception, Wolmer's Girls, and the Queen's High School.
That is correct.
in school.
Which country is to the north of Jamaica?
House.
That will be Cuba.
That is correct.
Cuba.
Which Jamaican dish is popularly called dirty gal?
Dirty girls.
Wow. Wow.
Dirty girls.
Very confident here.
Repeat the answer for the viewers. That is correct.
That's your organ. Yes.
Good enough.
Which is the capital of St. Anne?
Ulteriors.
I love it. I was like,
Hey, everybody think that.
Margie was like, say that me. And then you say, as soon as I hear the Ochi, I was like, yes.
I think I need a restaurant, man. That is incorrect, Maroons. The correct answer is St. Anne's Bay. Next question. How many colors are in the Rastafarian flag?
Yeah.
That will be 3.
That is correct. And for my final question, who is the Minister of Finance? Wow. Wow. 5. Yeah. Alright. We have no takers.
When me again? One. Doctor something.
Nigel Clark.
Nigel Clark, brother.
I wouldn't know.
Serious face.
Yeah, the long face, brother. Man.
And that brings us to the end of
Not two more
our...
questions.
Eh? 2 more questions. Alright, let me find 2 more.
Yeah.
Let me find 2 more. Name an item that you can get at the 3 most popular fast food restaurants. It must be the same item. 5.
Alfredo pasta.
Fries all the way. Gotta be fries.
Fries.
Fried chicken.
So come again.
No. Hey, rub off that. Rub off that.
Fast food.
What happened to Alfredo?
Alfredo.
Rub off that.
You want to eat 2 more?
Alfredo. I must see the waiter.
It's a fries.
Fries are chicken.
Fries and them and soda.
Fried chicken.
Oh my God.
We like that question. Give me one like that. Margie, grab ready. Are you sure?
Yeah. Grew up in the bucket, you know. Alfredo.
Give me the 3rd line of the Jamaican anthem. I need an answer right now.
Which one I like?
Guide us with your mind.
Oh!
That's the answer. That's incorrect.
Oh my gosh.
The
Third.
Third.
That's the
What
second.
I second?
line. Keep us free
From evil power.
Alright.
I think over.
Yeah, I like those answers.
Grab the back in it.
Yeah, I put them to the pipe.
Whoa!
Stop naman. I can't believe I got me.
Imagine grabbing that look for me. Say why she look for me.
Alright guys, we've come to the end.
Come like gambler. Show her 2 more.
I think she broke.
She did good. So in the third round, our walks, as them gained 2, they lost 2. In the end, they come up with 4 points.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
We're going up.
We're going up.
Yeah.
I think
The Maroons.
Yeah.
at the end of
So
the
they're
The Maroons.
24.
2 points here.
You gained points, you lost the points. You gained a lot of points, but then greed got the best of you, and you actually came out of the round with 4 points. So our final points are, we have the Arawaks on 28 points and the Maroons on 19 points. Alright, what do you guys have to say for yourself, champions of this or Lab Squad Trivia?
We would like to say them run out of the country, but they can't get way out.
Alright. And we like to also say, yeah, in my team, yeah.
Yeah.
Maroons,
Failure.
how do you feel going back to your village?
But our villagers will understand, because at the end of the day we came out and we fought, and that's what Jamaican culture is about.
So just want to thank you, Lab Squad, for watching, for tuning in. Comment down below if your team won.
Arawaks.
Straight.
And if you're still rocking with the Maroons, show them your support, show them some love. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm your host, Louisa Bennett, and until next time.
Labs out loud.